under Fujian Henglong Plastic Industrial Company. Frontier Pack Tech Thailand officially started operation on November 27, 2025. The factory covers a total area of 6,000 square meters. We mainly produce various plastic products including electronic items, provide final assembly services. Our factory is located in Ban Bueng District, Chonburi Province, Thailand. At the opening ceremony, we appreciated congratulations from sister units and friends. This is our professional laboratory for product quality inspection and technical R&D. The production office facilitates daily production scheduling. On the second floor of the office building, there's a meeting room, finance room, data room, general manager's office, etc. All departments are well structured, ensuring efficient and orderly company operation. We also provide staff dormitories, kitchens, and other amenities for a comfortable and convenient life. Thank you for watching and looking forward to creating value together.